G'day viewers, I got some more high voltage electrolytics. 450 volt Lichicon, 150 microfarad or 400 volt 20 microfarad SAM wire. And they're going to go in that cat bag. Have some more fun with some Arky, Sparky and Bangy. And there's all the other ones I'm going to salvage and put in this little collection. I've got some SHL series Nippon Chemicons. They've got a really good ASI rating on those. Definitely got to keep those. These little capacitors here are useful too. Inductors in my ZVS. 250 volt 334J. 0.33 microfarad I think, so good from my ZVS. There's a high volt 2.5 kV rated one there. So I'm going to keep those ones. Resistors, all sorts of goodies, and a line filter. Lots of goodies on this board. Let's strip it for its goodies. Yeah, nice chunky diode there too. And some fast diodes. Viewers, I scavenged most of the goodies off this. There's still more on there, but I got most of the passives off. Good thermistor, good relay, nice chunky power resistor, filter choke for the active and neutral line, larger inductors, good for my ZVS, the chunkier the better, and some little capacitors here. 2.5 kV one, there's a 1000 volt one here somewhere, 1.8 kV one somewhere here. All sorts of cool stuff. Lots and lots of capacitors. 800 volts. So yeah, these little types are good for good replacements for paper wax capacitors and old radios, but I prefer axials, they look better. But there might be the odd chance I might run out of a certain or need a certain value. I've always got one of these I could use. This is a good replacement. It's good mains filter, AMI filter. If I remember which one was which. Neutral, so it was that way. Neutral, live, and earth. Made by Delta Electronics, actually quite a good brand too. Good company. Made in Thailand. It's got an inductor, 2 times 25 millihenry, 330 kilo ohm resistor, 0.22 and a 0.1 microfarad times 2 capacitor, 2 times 2200 picofarad capacitor, and then there's a little schematic. Goes in the inductor, and there's a resistor, capacitors in there. 250 volt 2 amps. So getting there. 16,470 microfarads, 0.05 ohms. Sweet. I start having some fun. I just realised my things were the wrong way around when I put this back together, so I'm going to redo these wires, some thicker wire, which I should have done in the first place, and put positive this way and negative this way, because they were switched around when I put it back together. So lucky I took note of that, otherwise I would have blew those capacitors up. So positives going in this rail, on this side, and negatives going in that rail, in that side. Much chunkier wires, so I should be able to get a bit more bang out of it this time. Alright, let's find something to pop. Alright, I got a 1U battery from my one of the cells out of my little Black & Decker batteries that power my ZVS. Alright, it's all plugged in, ready to go. Positives there, negatives there. I've got multimeters ready to measure the voltage. 321 power on. Flame pump is being my ballast. 69 volts. Test. Yeah, it's only a low powered motor, so it's taking a while. Discharge, safety first. Unplug that thing, safety first. Yeah, rated pretty good. That was only 110 volts. I need a bigger ballast. That motor's drawing so little power, it's taking ages to charge the bank. Let's try a bigger load as a ballast. See how this works. A little induction motor. 51. charge. That bit quicker. The motor's starting to die down now. Alright, let's see if this broke the cadmium dendrites inside this battery. It should still work now. Let's give it a test. Discharge. Oh, look at that. Hey, I welded it. Alright, that's all. I'll plug safety first. Let's have a look at this battery. Yeah, that little vice grip's copped the hammering. Alright, let's do a voltage check on the 1U. Let's give it a test. Alright, I'll take the multimeter off the back, put it across the battery to see if it got rid of those cadmium dendrites inside this battery. It's actually got a charge in it. No, I did it. Oh, hang on. No, I had the positive on the ground, so I'll probably charge it the other way. The positive and negative are the wrong way around in this battery. I thought so. Nothing. Yeah, I had positive there and negative on the positive, so I completely drained it flat. Rectifier's okay. Yep, that's not even warm. Yeah, hope I had the positive and negative the right way around. Maybe it would have charged. What else could we Google up? Oh, well, I think that'd be enough for now. Let's have a look at this motor we popped earlier. There's that fuel pump motor we popped earlier. Commutator is still intact. Bit dark in here. There's the rest of the magnet assembly. And there's one of the brushes intact, the other one's completely gone. Yeah. It's smoked up nicely. All that gunk in there. Yeah. I'm saving that other little other motor for the drag race competition that Blue Smoke Productions is doing. So when I take over to arrives, I'll make it set up for that motor. We'll pop that with take over and measuring it. See how fast it goes up to. But as you can see here, perfect. Permanently discharged itself. That's a good weld. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.